Welcome back to my channel, my dear friends. In this section we will discuss about the arithmetic operators, precedency and associative. Let us see this. What are these? Here associative means left to right, whereas from star, slash and modulus. Where precedency is which is preferred. First star, slash and modulus is preferred first, and second preference is plus and minus. Let us start with this. Here is a simple can you guess the output? Yes, the output will be 2. Why? Because let us see this process. Where here modulus of d is nothing but an integer data type which is used in C language. Let us see how the output is given. Here the result will be 55 divided by 10 divided by 2. First of all, we should group it based on associative. Okay, associative means left to right, means the first order is division here, so that first of all we should combine these and the output will be second. We should group this. By equalating this we can see the result. 10 divided by 55 is 5. Okay, and again it is divided with the 2, whereas the output will be 2.5, whereas we used the integer data type, so that it neglects the 0.5, then the result will be 2. Okay, in the similar way for this, see this, the result will be, can you guess the result for this? Yes, first of all this will be, the result will be 1. Let's see this how. Here 6 divided by 3 into 2, the required result, grouping based on the associative. First of all, you should group 6 by 3 means 6 by 3 is 2, 2 into 2 4. Okay, why? Because here the preference is, first of all we should use modulus, second then plus or minus. Sorry. This is the process to evaluate the output. The output will be 4. Why? Because 6 divided by 3 into 2. Here the first preference is modulus. Modulus is the first piece of associated from left to right. From left to right, it is the division, whereas division. Then after multiplication. So we used first for this operation where 6 divided by 3, and second multiplication operation. In this process we have evaluated. We have grouped based on the associative property, whereas associative property is from left to right. Okay, next, these are the inputs 4, 2, 1, 3. A is 4, B is 2, and 1 is 3. C is 1 and D is 3. These are the inputs. Okay, these inputs have been given in one operation. Let us check what will be the output. Here 4, 2, 1, 3. Let's see. This is the condition, whereas A multiplied with B and B is addition with C, C is multiplied with D, then the overall result will be C. First of all, we should, the ith preference is multiplication in this condition, and second we should evaluate, whereas A into B is, A is 4 and B is 2. 4 2s are 8, and next preference is 1 into 3. 1 into 3. C is 1 and D is 3. Then the result will be 11. By evaluating, you can observe that A into B is, you can evaluate in these both methods. The result will be same. Okay. Similarly, the output will be 11. This is the operation that for the arithmetic operators precedency. It will be based on the order of the precedence. Then the associative is from left to right. Whereas left to right means, first of all, the highest preference is for modulus, and second for the division, and third is for multiplication. In second precedency, minus and plus. Okay. Next, can you guess what will be the output? Let us see this. Here is the slash included study order, common for every code. While writing this code, you can use this for every code. Here int of x is 10, whereas result will be the variable for the output. Here result is equal to 3 multiplied with, this is the operation we should do. Let us see this operation. As we know that multiplication, division and modulus are the first preference, precedency, and second is plus and minus. See this. You should group based on the precedency and associative. Whereas 3 is first, in the first case, these are grouped by this. First of all, this is the process we should do. You can observe this. This is the grouping result, grouping based on the precedency and associative. You can observe the carefully. Here 3 is multiplied with this condition. This is one condition, and again it is totally divided by this. This is the preference according to the associative left to right. And it is the precedency from top to bottom. You can observe carefully. The grouping is based on precedency and associative. Then the result will be, if x is equals to 10, it is an equation. We should give the x value. Okay. If x is equals to 10, then x value will be evaluated at that place, and again it is done the process. First of all, it should be subtracted with 4, it is minus 6. Again this condition should be evaluated, again this condition. In the similar way, first condition is nothing but whatever thing, we should go in the process that inside parenthesis should be solved, and second parenthesis should be solved, and third parenthesis should be solved. In this way we should solve the problem. Okay. Then the output will be 2. What we have learnt until now? We have learnt variables and data types, and format and specifiers, and operators, arithmetic operators, precedency and associative. Okay. Practice is more important. You can practice all this, and you can analyze all this. Okay. You can analyze this by rewatching the video. Okay. It is a simple mathematical calculations. See this. Okay.